Welcome back. In this video, we're going to deep dive into Android Studio user interface. Android Studio is designed to offer a powerful and user-friendly development environment. The interface consists of several key components, each serving a specific purpose to make development efficient. We will start with the first component, which is the main menu. The main menu is located at the top of Android Studio and contains a series of drop-down menus for accessing various tools and features. We will start with the file. You can create, open, close projects, import, export, and manage settings. With the Edit tab, you can undo, redo, find, and replace and refactor the code. The View tab is used to show or hide tool windows, panels, and zoom options. The Navigate, you can use it to move between classes, files, and methods. The Code tab, used for code analysis, reformatting, and completion tools. Analyze and inspect the code quality and dependencies. The Refactor tab, used for rename, move, and safely modify code structures. Build, used for building your project, clean, and generate APKs or AABs. Run, you can run, debug, and test your app. Tools, you can access tools like Device Manager, AVD, Android Virtual Device, and Firebase. Window, you can manage the arrangement of tool windows. Help, you can access documentations, tools, tutorials, and troubleshooting support. The second element is the navigation bar. The navigation bar is usually located below the main menu. It allows you to quickly navigate between project files and directories. The features of navigation bar are used for displaying the current file path in your project. Click on a folder or file name to navigate up or down the project hierarchy, and you can use the navigation bar if you right-click to access context-specific options like open, rename, delete, and others. The purpose of the navigation bar is to quickly move through your project's directory structure without opening the project tool window. The third element is the tool window bar. The tool window bar is located on the edges of the IDE, left, right, and bottom. It provides quick access to frequently used tool windows. Common tool windows are Project, Logcat, Terminal, Run Debug, Build, Device Manager, Event Log, and others. The project explores and manages your project's file and structure. Logcat, view logs from your running app. Terminal, access a command line interface directly in the IDE. Run or debug, monitor and control app execution. Build, check the build output and errors. Device Manager, manage the emulators and connected devices. Event Log, view system and IDE event messages. The purpose of this tool window bar to access important tools and panels without leaving the main code editor. The status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the IDE. It provides information about the current state of the IDE and your project. The purpose from this status bar is to monitor the state of your project, builder progress, and other background tasks. The search for specific action. The search button allows you to find files, classes, methods, or symbols across your project. You can use search everywhere, double shift, to search files, classes, symbols, and actions. Find in files, you can search for specific text across all files. Find action, search for IDE actions or commands. Go to a file, Ctrl Shift N, open a specific file by name, and go to symbol, search methods or variables by name. It's used to quickly locate code, files, or IDE functions, improving productivity. The Android Studio user interface is designed to streamline the app development process. Understanding these components helps you navigate, debug, and build your projects effectively. If you need help with a specific part of the UI, don't worry, I am here to help you. Feel free to ask me in the comments below.